This is all Haidilao hot pot. This is theirs. How many goods are prepared in the warehouse? There are plenty. You got this one. Demand. The real priority is that BYD is much cheaper. The BYD one is a bit cheaper, and the cost-performance ratio is a bit higher. Also, it's the legendary series, which is renowned for its exceptional performance. It's just that all of them are only a bit superior with a relatively bigger advantage. Do all the series of craziness have games? You can go up there. In 2008, we sold an S-Class car, just like his. He thinks the quality is very stable. The prices of these two are not much different. Let's go do something for a while.